Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a Ferris 500S zero-turn mower. This mower has a 61-inch fabricated cutting deck. There is a front LED light as well as your 360 front casters. This mower has the forefront suspension system. There is a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck and spindles. There is a standard seat with armrest. You do have the fuel tank. There are large 22-inch rear tires. This mower does have spray blocking fenders around the engine. There is a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine with the commercial Hydro-Gear ZT-3100 Transaxles with 7-inch cooling fans. Coming along to the side, you do have your controls with your ignition, throttle, hour meter. This mower does come with a rubber flip-up chute. There is a cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1 inch and 5 inches. You have a pedal for your deck. Once again, this is a Ferris 500S zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.